Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 6 January 2020. First step of a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review it. In this video, I will review my trades today on Nifty and Bank Nifty and disclose my trade plan for tomorrow, which is 7th January 2021. So let's see what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So Nifty had a gapped up opening and then it corrected. It has a gapped up opening. Then it consolidated in the first half for some time, and then we had seen a sharp fall as per our trade plan. And in it took a support it went down and then it bounced back again. Our trade plan was on Nifty to buy on dip in the range of 14155 to 14106. It actually went below 14106 and then it had a good recovery. What I similarly on Bank Nifty also, if you see, Bank Nifty was much stronger than Nifty, where Bank Nifty had a gap up opening, uh, and it consolidated till 12, had a small uprise in the afternoon, then it corrected, and then again it took a support at closer to the pivot. So let me see. Uh, Yeah, it took a support closer to the pivot and then had a small rally up. And then again, we had a small correction here. So, what I did today, I took a trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty again. So, my plan was to buy on dip. And when the Nifty came to my level of 14107, on this 2 5 minute green bar, I took an entry and kept a stop loss below this red bar. Then this big red bar took my stop loss off, took my stop loss, and again I did a re-entry on Nifty on this green bar and got out on this green bar somewhere here. Um, Earlier I went for 4 lot and then for this second re-entry I reduced my quantity. So here I went only with 2 lot. So overall, Nifty trade was in negative. In Bank Nifty, the trade plan was to buy on dip, and again on 5 minute chart, I did an entry on this green bar and put a stop loss below this red bar, this one, and that stop loss got taken away by this particular red bar. Then again I took an entry. This time I added one more lot here, and I carried this move and I exited somewhere on this green bar. It was almost like revenge trading for me today. So I did manage to come out in positive, although a small profit. Then I had another trade running on Hero Corp where I made some money. So overall, a positive day. Uh, the market worked as per my trade plan, but again my entry was wrong, and trade management was again a problem. So these are the two areas where I genuinely need to improve on. One of the biggest trouble which I'm finding is my learning from today is that do not take entry on 5 minute chart, because if you see a 5 minute chart, here you have two green bar, but on 15 minute chart it is clear cut three red bar. So the actual entry was on this green bar somewhere when this green bar closed, and that was exactly my point. And then from here to here was the trade for me. So learning is do not enter on 5 minute chart. Do only one trade. It gets very difficult to manage two trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So take either of one. Now I feel because since Reliance is running weak, Bank Nifty is looking quite strong. So I would prefer to take trade on Bank Nifty. Let's see how it goes. And maintain quantity, because if you switch around the quantities then it gets a little difficult to again to recover the losses. So maintain only 5 lot, and then if you want double the lot size if market moves in your direction. and I'm genuinely now thinking of not putting a stop loss at all. It means that I will have a stop loss in my mind, but I'll not put a stop loss order. I will just wait for market to see how it is reacting, and then if required I will exit, but I will not put any stop loss order. The stop loss is killing me. uh, the good trade is becoming a bad, and then I have to do a revenge trade to recover my loss. Today, at one point of time, I had almost 9,000 rupees loss, and then I recovered it back to positive. So the stop loss is not working out for me. So let's see. For a few trading sessions, I think I will not put actual stop loss order, and I will keep a stop loss in my mind, and I will act. I will exit the position if things are not going right in my direction. So do let me know what you guys think about it. Whether not putting a stop loss. Do you guys put a stop loss order? You don't put a stop loss order. How do you manage that? But I'm not going to put a stop loss order henceforth. I will just keep a stop loss in my mind. If that point is reached, I will exit, or I will figure it out what to do at that time. But no stop loss orders. So now let's see how what is there for us store for tomorrow, which is 7th Jan 2021. So, like I said yesterday, after almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days rally, we had all-time high, and then definitely a profit booking came. It went to our level of 14,000, took a support from there, and went up. So on daily basis, Nifty is still in uptrend. It's above 8 day, 20 day, and 50 day and 200 day moving average. Definitely overstretch. Uh, what I think is that Nifty will now consolidate in the range of 14,350 or 14,300 to 14,000. This is the area where I'm expecting Nifty to consolidate in next few days, and then eventually go for 14,500. So for the next few days, it's gonna be quite choppy market. That is what my expectation is. But like all our gurus says, we are not here to predict the market. We are here to make money. So we should know when to enter and when to exit. So on 15-minute chart, when I look into Nifty, on daily chart it is in uptrend, but on 15-minute chart you see some amount of weakness. The closing is below 20 day, below 50 day, above 8 day, and above 200 day. Not fully weak, but showing sign of a weakness, and it's not very strong also. But when I look into SGX Nifty, which is currently at 14217, so which is above the 28 and the 50-day moving average. So for tomorrow, again I want to be a defensive trader and build a plan on buy on dip. So when we look into our Camarilla, we have support for pivot is at 14143 and support at 14090 and 14034. So 14034 is closer to the 200-day moving average, which is somewhere here. So let me mark out three buying areas. One is this. Second is 14080, which is also a weekly resistance, which will act as a support now. So this, and if market is very strong, then it will turn from its pivot, and that is this 14149, which is also a weekly resistance. So what could happen tomorrow is that market will have a gap up opening. It can keep on going up, may take a halt at 14, closer to 14275, or yesterday's high, that is today's high, which is 14250, and then again come back either and stop here and move up, or further comes back, stops here and move up, or again come back, or further goes down, and from here definitely is going up. and if it breaks 14,000 or 3953 zone, then this is the level where we should go short for Nifty for a positional play. So three areas where we can enter, and the target would be 14 260 274. So again, this red line. So this is what I'm expecting Nifty to consolidate for coming few days. For Bank Nifty is looking much stronger than Nifty. My idea on Nifty is I think Reliance has corrected a lot now. So Reliance is now almost at 1920. So when we look into Reliance is at 1915, and now Reliance will have a strong support at this zone, that is 1884 or 1855. And my expectation is that Reliance will now start moving up. So if Reliance will move up, so this is the lower area of Reliance, it will pull the Nifty up. So and that will be that move of Reliance from 1914 to 2050 is good enough to take the Nifty to 14,500 levels. Let's see how it goes. Now for Bank Nifty, again on daily chart, if you see, this bar shows that neither it's bullish, neither it's bearish. Both are in the same power, so it's dodgy. But it's above 8, above 20, and above 50. So on daily, it's an uptrend. On 15-minute chart, just like Nifty, it is below 20, below 8, above 50, and above 200. So looking slightly weak here, not fully weak, but slightly weak here. Uh, so I will again be a defensive trader and go for a buy on dip strategy for tomorrow. When we look into our Camarilla pivots, uh, Camarilla says that 31,885. So 31,885, 31,885. So somewhere here, it is today's closing. So I'm expecting tomorrow what could happen. Bank Nifty is that it can gap up and keep on moving up, or if it comes back, then this is the zone where you can look forward to buy Bank Nifty. If it further corrects, then we have a under support at 31,785, 31,785, which is just this zone about this area. And then the if it goes further down, then we have a support at 31,668, 31,668. So 31,668. So today's level only. Today's something closer to today's level. 31,668 here. So 31,550 is a very strong support for a Bank Nifty. So till 31,550 is broken, or I would say 31,200. So 31,500 and 31,200 are a very strong support for Bank Nifty. So till then, these two levels are broken. Bank Nifty is looking quite strong. Today was a day of public sector banks, specifically State Bank. SBI card is just on gas. It's moving very at a different level. So Bank Nifty, the strategy is buy on dip at 31,885, which is a pivot, 31,785, which is L3, and 31,668, which is L4. And target is 32,000 to 32,150. So that's the area. So I would again tomorrow do option. I will take either one or two trade, most probably Bank Nifty. I'm already carrying one lot of Bank Nifty with me. So let's see how it goes. So thank you very much, all of you, for your time. Please give me thumbs up. Cheers. Put your comments. Do tell me what do you think about putting stop loss, whether we should keep a stop loss order or we shouldn't keep a stop loss order. I hope this discussion adds value to your trade setup and trading idea. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video on trade setup. Uh, Happy trading and Jai Hind. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade.